Salzburg city in Austria. Hey, are you thinking it is just bus? No, it's amphibus. Rides on road and water. We did both road and water ride in this amphibus. Come with us and explore the Salzburg city in amphibus. See the view of this amphibus. See how amazing and it's very fantastic. Are you wondering how this will be used on ride to on both water and road? Let's see. Come with us. This bus takes us to main attractions in Salzburg. Bus has no stops. It will just take you around the places in Salzburg. Salzburg is beautiful city and lots of crowd you can find there. And it's very near to many attractions like Hallstatt and Lammerklammern. So if you stay in Salzburg, all these attractions are nearby. Captain of ship is making ready to take the bus into the water. So he's setting the things to the bus. Now bus is turning as a ship and we are going to water. We felt view will be good when we are outside of this ship because we are not able to see how it looks good from inside. See how the crowd is staring at it at this bus and how they are taking the snaps. How wonderful it is now.
Wir sind soweit. Bitte deine Sitzgürtel wenden. We're ready. Put your seatbelts on.
This is rare view of the amphibus, the time then enters into the water. See how it looks from the front. The bus is going inside the water now. I can show you the front view of the bus.
Wir sind soweit. Bitte deine Sitzgürtel wenden. We're ready. Put your seatbelts on.
Frankly speaking, this is not worth ride in amphibus. Just we thought of exploring it and it will be very fantastic we thought, but sitting inside we didn't feel really that good.
On the right, you can see parts of the oldest town wall still standing in Salzburg, which was built in 1525 to protect the inhabitants from rioting peasants. Next to it is the tower of the world-famous bell tower, where the chimes always ring out at 7 a.m., 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. You can also see the three green domes of Salzburg Cathedral, which was built in 1666 under Archbishop Marcus Siticus von Hohenins. There were churches there before, but these always succumbed to fires. In the Second World War, they couldn't welcome the